Hello! Since you got this far, I assume that you are really interested in learning something, and therefore the app could be beneficial for you. So let me do a brief overview of the app functionality. You can create unlimited number of subjects. You can create subjects like foreign language, in this case it is German language and Spanish language, math, history, geography, chemistry, literature, basically anything. In each subject, you can create an unlimited number of chapters to have it organized somehow. Inside each chapter, you enter the things you want to remember. Format is simple. It is a question-answer format. Learning is done by self-testing. The app gives you a test. You start it and you keep receiving questions. You have a couple of seconds to think about the answer. You do not need to write it down anywhere. Why? Well, not necessary, you are doing this for yourself. Then the app shows you the answer. If you were right, you just push the green button. If you were not right, this is the time for you to invest a few seconds and to try to put the answer to your head. Afterwards, you just click the red button. In both cases, next question is displayed and the process repeats until the end of test. You can self-test yourself as often as you like. The app takes care and does not ask questions you have just correctly answered. That would not make sense. Also, if you keep answering correctly, such questions will be marked as mastered, and these questions won't go into tests for a pretty long time. Each subject can be configured. For example, you can set up number of consecutive successes required, or the time you have to answer each question. As well, you can set up the rest timers, defining how long it takes for the master question to show up in test, and so on. Data can be entered manually, or they can be imported from a simple Excel file. It is possible also to share your data via the standard means by sending out the Excel file, for example via Gmail or WhatsApp. You can also download such an Excel file directly to your file system. So let me do it. I just downloaded all the subjects in one Excel file, and now I will show you how it can be imported easily. I can just open the Excel file directly in this app and the data gets imported. The best way how to get your data, you are a teacher, parent, classmate, basically whoever, can maintain an Excel file stored in Google Drive. And you can configure your app to automatically synchronize with it. So here I just opened the Excel file on the Google Drive. That German language was already configured to synchronize with this source. And I add a question here. So here it comes. Now I will save it. And after I come back to the application and open the German language, here it comes. It was downloaded from Google Drive. So this way you can form, for example, study groups with your friends, classmates, and this, I would say, is the ultimate functionality of this app. So that is for an overview. In the next video I will show you how the data is maintained in more detail and how the self-test works also in more detail.